Welcome to the Ontario Tech course registration tutorial from the Mitch and Leslie Fraser Faculty of Education. To get started, begin on the current students page and scroll down to the registration box and click Add or Drop Courses Online. Here we get to the registration box, and it's the second option. Step 1, choose a term, either fall, winter, or spring, summer, depending on the time of year. Here for this tutorial, I'm going to choose fall 2024. Step 2, you can filter by subject and choose educational studies to easily find your core courses, specialization requirements, and other EDST electives. Step 3, choose the courses you want to take, and don't forget to add the tutorial and the lecture for each course. Here I'm just choosing assessment and evaluation, and as you can see, I'm choosing both the tutorial and the linked lecture. Now I'm going and searching for creating digital tools, and I'm going to do the same thing by adding both sections. Step 4, view course details to ensure you're eligible to take them. To access course details, you're going to click on the title of the course. Here I'm choosing Developing Literacy, and then a box will pop up that has lots of important information and details. You're going to want to pay special attention to the location of the course, as many first and second year courses are held in person. There's an undergraduate restriction, there's a prerequisite of Foundations of Learning. It shows you the linked lecture and that there's 40 spots in the class. Step 5 is to submit. Press the submit button and don't forget, as that's how you're going to register. Here my schedule is already registered, but I just wanted to show you where the button was anyways. And that's all. If you're having trouble, please reach out to academic advising on the emails on the screen. Thank you.